it's in compound meter that doesn't have drums, and hear what it would be like to put that on top. If you go to the end of this song on your own, you can hear how the drummer plays. We're going to do a really simple sort of triplet backbeat like we've been working on. So here is You Are the Only Exception by Paramore. So now we can feel the beat. 1 and
self-forget. And that was the day that I promised I'd never sing of love if it does not exist. But darling, you
nice. Keep it going. A couple more times and then we're going to add our right hand.
The only